Jon W Suggests, in my opinion, that's what this is. I'll never give in. Freedom of expression is not in doubt. It's a human right, my opinion's coming out. I'm not giving advice because I could be sued, but I'm making suggestions which could be used to make improvements to your life. But it's only my opinion, I don't wear any stripes. You follow what I say at your own risk. The suggestions I make will be brisk. You can do what you please, it's up to you. I'm not asking for money in this thing that I do. You might wonder why I'm doing this thing, and I wrote these words that you might sing. It's good to help the human race, to make the world a better place. Freedom of expression is a human right, so maybe I can help you with your plight. It's good to help the human race, to make the world a better place. Jon W Suggests, that's my opinion. That's what this is. I'll never give in.